How to unlock SIM card on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can unlock SIM card on the Realme C35. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch settings in your device. On the settings, scroll down a bit and head towards the security and then tap on security. Under security, scroll down a bit and search for SIM card lock. If you cannot find the option, tap on more security settings, scroll down a bit, and there is an option for SIM card lock, then tap on it. From this interface, you have to select your SIM card that has been locked and that you want to unlock it. For example, in this interface, if your SIM card is locked, you will see this toggle turned on. If you want to unlock it, all you have to do is turn off the toggle. Then you will be asked to enter your SIM pin. Provide your correct SIM pin and then tap on OK, and with that your SIM card will be unlocked. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.